Alright, now many of us tend to ignore some of the important security and privacy features available on the Samsung Galaxy phones. So I thought I will make a quick video and let you know guys some of the important features you need to enable to keep your phone safe and secure and private. Without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. Now you may have installed multiple different applications on your device. It could be third-party applications or applications directly from the OEM. And those applications gets access to multiple different functionalities on your phone. It could be contacts, calendar, phone, location, photos and videos, physical activity, call logs, music and audio. These access could be available for all those applications that you have installed. So how do we get to know this? How do we know which application has got what access on your phone? For this, all you need to do is go to the settings, tap on security and privacy, and here you will see this option called permissions used in last 24 hours under privacy settings. Now, if you have not enabled this, you can enable this particular feature. Just tap on this. Here you can see the permissions that you're given for those applications. You can see these icons right here. Let's say for nearby devices, I will tap on this. Galaxy Buds 2 Manager has accessed the nearby devices at 12:57 p.m. Smart Things 12:56 p.m. Then we've got settings accessed by this app at 12:45 p.m. Likewise, we've got different applications which have accessed the nearby devices, which is shown right here. And let's say now photos and videos, Gallery has accessed it, Photos has accessed it, Keys Cafe and X has accessed it. Now you might have a third-party application to which you may not want to give an access to photos and videos. If you come here, you will know whether that app has got the access to your photos or videos or not. If you're seeing that access, you can just go ahead, tap on that specific application, and you can select the options always allow, allow limited access, or don't allow permission at all. So these options can be selected for a specific app, and this is the best way you can know which app is accessing the data on your phone. And then we've got apps tab. When you tap on that, you can check the permissions that each application is using. So if you want to check a specific application, let's say for example WhatsApp Business, it's using contacts and phone. Let's say X is using photos and videos. So each individual applications will be able to check the permissions. So do go ahead and monitor this specific option under security and privacy. Next, we have got theft protection, which is a very critical feature you guys must enable. For this, go to the settings, tap on security and privacy, and tap on lost device protection. Here you will see Find My Mobile, which is a default feature on the Galaxy phones. If you have lost your device, you'll be able to find it. We have already discussed about Find My Mobile feature in the past. I will leave a link for that video in the description. This is also a very important feature which you need to enable. Let me tap on this. I have allowed this phone to be found. Send last location, I can enable. Offline finding, I have already enabled. So go ahead, enable these features. Just in case if you lose your phone, you'll be able to log into Samsung website and track your phone. This is a very critical feature you need to enable. And we are talking about theft protection. Just tap on theft protection. Here we have got identity check, theft detection lock, offline device lock, remote lock. You need to make sure you enable all these features. It says checking your identity before changing sensitive settings and locking the screen when your phone is stolen can prevent a thief from accessing your apps and data. We've got identity check. We have got theft detection lock. You can just tap on turn on here. Then we have got offline device lock, turn on, and we have got remote lock. You can go ahead and use remote lock as well. Go ahead and turn all these on. I have made a dedicated video for this as well. I will leave a link in the description. Go ahead and check that out. The next one is app protection, which is very important. Just go to the settings, tap on security and privacy. You will see app security right here. Tap on that. It says turn on the feature below to regularly check applications for malware and other suspicious activities. If any problems are found, you will be notified. So all you can do is just tap on app protection and turn it on, and that's it. So go ahead, turn on the app protection, which is a very critical feature on your Galaxy phone. Next, on One UI 7, Samsung did add a new feature called security status of your device. Go to security and privacy and tap on security status of your device. Now here, Knox Matrix monitors supported devices signed into your Samsung account using a secure private blockchain. It's a sophisticated technology which Samsung is using here. Each device can check the security status of other devices and let you know if there are any threats. So right now, You can see Galaxy S24 Ultra is connected. It says no threats found. For some reason, my other devices like the Galaxy Watch is not showing up and the Tab is not showing up, even though I have logged into those devices with the same Samsung account. Maybe I'll have to turn on these features on that device, then it will show up right here. So go ahead, check the security status of your device if you have One UI 7. The next important feature is blocking USB connections while locked. Let me show you where exactly this is. Go to the settings, tap on security and privacy, tap on more security settings. And here you will see this option called block USB connections while locked. To protect your data, prevent USB devices from connecting when your phone has been locked for more than an hour. So if your phone is kept locked for more than an hour, then anybody trying to access your phone through USB cable may not be able to do that, because this feature will prevent the USB devices from connecting your phone if it is locked for more than 1 hour. You may think that the phone is locked. How can somebody access your phone through USB devices? That's actually possible on Android phone. There are multiple different ways you can connect your phone using USB devices even if it is locked, and that can be prevented if you enable this particular security feature. So go ahead and enable this. Now right here on more security settings, we have got something called enhanced data protection. Tap on that. We get two options here: encrypt backup data, encrypt synced data. This will protect your cloud data with end-to-end encryption. This ensures no one can access your data but you, even if there is a data breach. So all your data, it could be contacts, it could be your health data, it could be messages, reminders, or any data that you have saved on Samsung Cloud can be encrypted using these features. So just go ahead and enable these options. Next, we have got a very important feature under controls and alerts, which you guys should go ahead and enable. Let me show you where exactly this is. Let's go to the settings, tap on security and privacy, and scroll all the way down. We've got controls and alerts option. Just tap on this. Now here we've got three different toggles. The camera access is enabled. Allow apps to use the camera if they have the appropriate permissions. Microphone access is enabled. So if you want to disable these options whenever you don't want to give permission to any applications on your phone, then you can just disable camera access and microphone access. Of course, this will block access to all the applications that you have on the phone. It could be Instagram, Facebook, any other social media application. You'll not be able to use the camera or microphone. So be wary of that. Only when you don't want to give permission to any of the applications on the phone, you can go ahead and disable them. And then we also have another option called alert when clipboard is accessed. This is a very critical feature again. Get an alert when an app accesses text, images, or other content you have copied. So just enable this. This will be another very important security feature which you need to enable on your Galaxy phone. Next, under security and privacy, tap on more security settings and scroll all the way down. You will see this feature called Android Safe Browsing. You will get alerts about threats from dangerous websites. Go ahead and enable this feature as well. Use live threat detection toggle is available here. The latest version of safe browsing with more accurate threat detection. Enabling this will detect security threats within supported applications on Android devices. Here it says 11 apps supported. Let me show you which are the apps supported. All this while there were only 1 or 2 applications I was able to see under this specific option. Now you can see the supported app includes all the third-party applications: Instagram, Bixby, Google Maps, Truecaller, Google, Volvers, Google Play services. So on any of these applications, if it detects a threat, it is going to notify us. So this is again a very important feature, Android Safe Browsing, which we should go ahead and enable. Last but not the least, the AutoBlocker feature. Now AutoBlocker is available on most of the Galaxy phones, the latest Galaxy phones. You can go ahead and enable this. This will keep your phone safe by blocking threats and other suspicious activities. We also have maximum restriction option right here. I don't think you really need to enable maximum restrictions. Some of the phone's features will be restricted. It clearly says provides extra strong protection for people who may be the target of sophisticated cyber attacks. Most people don't need this level of protection. If you turn this on, some of your phone's features will be restricted. So a strong restriction, additional restrictions will be applied on the phone. So this is for those people who may be the target of sophisticated cyber attacks. It could be some high-profile people, politicians, cops, or anybody for that matter, who think that they could be a target of sophisticated cyber attacks. They can go ahead and enable maximum restrictions. Otherwise, the basic auto blocker restriction is good enough. This blocks app from unauthorized sources, blocks commands by USB cable, blocks malware images in messaging applications. This is very important. A lot of people tend to click on the links on the messaging application, and those links could be harmful. They could be viruses or malwares. And if you have enabled auto blocker, the phone will block those links and you will not be affected. So that is an important feature. And then we've got block non-official software updates. So all these will be blocked if you enable AutoBlocker. So go ahead and enable it if you need it. These are some of the important privacy and security features you must enable on your Galaxy phone. If I missed anything, do let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. You get to learn a lot about your Galaxy phones and other Android phones. So go ahead, subscribe, and give this video a like if you find this video informative. And if you haven't downloaded our wallpaper application yet, go ahead, download it. I keep adding wallpapers almost every day. You will get some fresh wallpapers every day. So go ahead, download the application. The link is in the description. We have got both free and premium wallpapers on the application. If you want to get rid of the ads, you can go for premium. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.